Hi there. Today we're gonna talk about tree mulch and what we do about it. So last week we shredded a few of our olive branches, and the good news to them is to spread it around our trees. This will help in preventing that the soils dry up, and also while they are composting up, they leave up nutrients to our soil. As you can see, the leaves below are still wet. This will insulate a lot the soil and therefore will help it during summertime when the soil is dry. It will help it create a humid environment, which will be of good help to us. In which way? We will need less watering to keep the soil humid. The soil won't even crack under the summer sun. Usually it cracks up, and sometimes the roots break, or even the tree dies when there is an aperture in the soil. So with this mulch or wood chips, the soil will have a greater chance of remaining humid during summer, and even as a feed. Once this starts composting, remember, the leaves and the chips will start composting at the lower layer first. It cannot compost at the top because it's more open to the environment, but below it's always humid, so there is a higher chance that it first starts to decompose at the lower level. Once it starts to decompose, a lot of nutrients will pass over to the roots of the trees, which will help them during the growing season. When giving a layer of mulch to the trees, it's ideal we give up to around 2 inches of layer. It may seem a little, but it needs a lot of branches to be shredded to have this quantity at your disposal. Another tip is always top up the mulch and chippings every year. This is as we already said, it is decomposing. It's a constant process. So the wood chips and the leaves are decomposing, so the layer will go down. So adding and topping it up once a year will help to keep the layer equal. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you.